EKIY 10.26 Android 10.0 dash cam stands out as a revolutionary solution designed to enhance your driving experience. Combining cutting-edge features such as CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, this smart player redefines convenience, safety, and connectivity on the road. With support for front and rear view camera display and recording, it becomes your trusted ally in capturing crucial moments and ensuring a seamless journey ahead. The EKIY dash cam enables simultaneous display and recording from both the front lens and rear view camera. This dual camera setup ensures comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, allowing you to capture important information and enhance safety on the road. With a built-in front camera, the dash cam offers hassle-free installation and operation, eliminating the need for additional equipment or complex setups. This integrated design ensures seamless functionality and optimal performance in diverse driving conditions. The package includes a rear camera, further augmenting your surveillance capabilities and providing added peace of mind while driving. The inclusion of the rear camera ensures complete coverage of both front and rear perspectives, enhancing overall situational awareness and safety. EKIY 10.26 dash cam powered by Android 10.0. The smart player delivers a seamless and intuitive user experience, enabling access to a wide range of apps, services, and features. Incorporating voice control technology, the dash cam allows hands-free operation, enabling you to control various functions and settings with simple voice commands. This intuitive feature enhances convenience, minimizes distractions, and promotes safer driving habits. Equipped with ADAS functionalities, the dash cam offers intelligent driver assistance features, such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and more. These proactive safety measures provide timely alerts and assistance, helping to mitigate potential risks and accidents on the road. By supporting front and rear camera display and recording, the EKIY dash cam enhances safety by providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings and capturing important details in real time. The inclusion of ADAS features further augments safety by offering proactive assistance and alerts to the driver. Seamless connectivity. With support for CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control, the dash cam ensures seamless connectivity with your smartphone and other devices, enabling access to essential apps, navigation, and communication features while on the go. Convenient installation. The built-in front camera and included rear camera simplify the installation process, allowing for quick and hassle-free setup. This convenience ensures that you can start enjoying the benefits of the dash cam with minimal effort and downtime.